Kalimera! Welcome back to another day here in Peloponnese. Today is a special day because it's Mikey's birthday. So a little story of how our morning went. We went to have breakfast and I planned actually to come to get an excuse and come upstairs, and I had a real excuse. I forgot my collagen. So I came upstairs and I put my gifts for him on the bed, and actually I had in mind to put the birthday cake. I ordered the birthday cake and I was told that it will get here in the morning, so I thought it was arrived, but it's not. So yeah, I was trying to make him stay downstairs longer and longer, and then they told me that it will come like in an hour and we kind of have to leave. So I thought, okay, well, that's it. We will have it when we arrive back in the evening. So we came in the room and he was like, okay, let's pack. He was packing his stuff and I was like, dude, do you see that there's something on the bed? I mean, he was clueless. Adventures.
With? Oh.
Well, I hope it fits.
Oh.
I bought one for myself too, but it's a bit too big. But I think it fits you great.
I think it's okay.
Okay, wanna show everybody your new glasses?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My new glasses.
And his new t-shirt. It's all hiking. It's the glasses are actually from Prosa wood. It has hiking engravement. They are made 100% from wood. And on the inside you can actually add the text, customized text. So I thought that was really cute. So yesterday I showed you this card. We managed to scratch off some of these sites. Besides these, we saw the stadium, the Modern Olympic Stadium, which was really cool. Unfortunately, we didn't get to scratch off everything, but it's fine. It was like a really hot day. We had a long day. We had like a 3-hour drive to Athens with a stop in at the Corinth Canal, which was so amazing. So if you didn't see that vlog, go check it out. I will have it linked below. So today, as I told you, we're going to Simo's beach, and I want to have like a beach picnic there, plus a beach photo shoot at sunset, if it's possible. It will be kind of like a beach time, but like a romantic time as well. I want this to be like a birthday picnic on the beach, which is so cool. So we have to get 2 croissants of fresh orange juice, because there's no point in getting champagne or wine because Mikey won't be able to drink because he's the driver, and maybe some strawberries as well to top the glasses and have them like a snack. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We will be stopping in Sparta to see the statue of Leonidas, but that's all. So that will be our only stop. Without any further ado, let's get going. We got some orange juice and some grapes. We didn't find strawberries, but it's a good combo. We took the highway from Kalivia to So we parked our car and the statue is right over there, so it's very close. Leonidas was the king of the Greek city-state Sparta, gaining his fame from the Battle of Thermopylae, so we couldn't miss visiting at least his statue. I don't like this wind. I hope it's just this area and not the island as well. Apparently I forgot about Monemvasia Island, so we're gonna stop there. It has some really nice houses and I think it will be interesting. Yes, I totally forgot about Monemvasia, but you'll see, it was well worth the visit. We drove past some orange plantations, which was so cool, I wish I could have a photo shoot there. We stopped here a little bit. So that's Monemvasia Island. Wow, it's really tall. It's beautiful here. It's still quite windy. Though I don't know if we will have enough time to go to Peloponnese Island and then have that picnic and come back, plus the photo shoot. Monemvasia is a very well preserved medieval city located on the southern side of Peloponnese. It was entirely carved on the backside of a sea rock in medieval times, and because it's not visible from the mainland, locals could avoid enemy attacks. The only way to reach the island was by boat. Later on, a paved pathway was constructed to connect the castle entrance to the mainland. This is how the name was given, meaning single passage. Guys, as you can see, it's too windy. I had to put my hair up in a ponytail. I won't be able to take those photos I wished for, so we will search for a little beach in this area. My god. Enjoy our time here on this island, and we will see how the day will go. A walk around the castle town is a travel to the past, while the view of the sea from the castle is breathtaking, you'll see. There are many accommodations, restaurants and cafes, plus there are various beaches around the area. Come on, let's take a stroll around this little town. You can actually take a shower here if you're having a swim. Well, this one has a nice view. Let's drink something. Okay guys, so we have 2 orange cakes with ice cream. I have a mango smoothie. We got some water and some tonic water. Cheers and happy birthday!
Thank you.
Okay, taste test.
Yummy.
Well, we didn't get to Peloponnese island, and I'm a little pissed, but that's okay. We will find another way to get there, either on this vacation or on another one, but I think it was well worth it to spend some time here. And have some drinks, and oh my god, that orange cake with ice cream was it was very good, it was worth it, and we had the perfect view, so yes, it was worth it. And
The view is awesome.
yeah, oh, we still have to like walk around and see if we can find interesting little streets. There are lots of like traditional hotels here. I mean, this is a hotel and it's full of like hotels, Airbnbs where you can stay. It's so pretty. Yeah, and by the way, we won't have that beach picnic today because it's almost 8 p.m. So we're heading back home at the hotel, and maybe on our last day we have one full day without anything planned, so maybe we will find then a beach and we will have that beach picnic. How beautiful the sun is shining up there, and like an hour or 2 hours ago it was so cloudy. Find a cat everywhere. Oh my goodness. Hi there, little buddy. Gosh. They are so friendly.
By the time we got back to the car, it was pretty late and we decided to grab something to eat. We still had an almost 5-hour drive back to the hotel. This restaurant is right on the left as you come to the island from the mainland. We had such a lovely view and OMG, the food was so good. We had the best salad and burger with fries and the sauce. Oh my goodness, it was very delicious. Thank you so much for coming along with us today and we hope to see you on our next day as well. Bye!